To ensure your Miele dishwasher delivery and installation goes smoothly, here's everything you'll need to know.
First, make sure taps are working, accessible, and within 1.5 metres of the dishwasher. This is to allow the inlet hoses to reach. Taps must be 3/4 inch in size and have at least 120mm of clear space in front of them to accommodate the anti-flood device. Please ensure your power outlet is also within 1.5 metres of the dishwasher. For your safety, it shouldn't be located inside the cavity, below the taps, or positioned in front of or beneath the inlet hose. In addition to this, we would suggest avoiding the use of power boards or extension leads. The drain spigot should be open and no more than 2.5 metres from the install point. A cutout for the water inlet must be at least a 76mm hole or at least a 76 by 30mm rectangle for the anti-flood protector to fit through. Our installers are available to cut a round hole. However, if pipes or cables are nearby, a plumber or electrician may be needed for safe drilling.
Clear the space so that we can easily remove your old appliance without obstructions such as kickboards, cabinetry, or raised floors.
And finally, make sure your cavity size matches your dishwasher type.
Please note, our technicians will deliver and set up your appliance with the utmost care. However, specialised electrical or plumbing work may need to be done by a qualified professional.
You'll also receive timely SMS updates about your delivery so you know exactly when to expect us.